that song before? No time at all, right? All right, welcome everyone. I'm going to talk to you now and welcome you all. And it's just a couple of simple things. First of all, we are here to have fun. That means you can't worry about playing road notes and have fun at the same time. So guess what? Don't worry about playing road notes. That doesn't mean we want to play road notes. We'll get them right. But there are lots of people who can help you get the notes right. Just look at the person next to you playing the same music. And they're very simple parts that all of us can learn right away. Today, then perform tonight down on the Greenway, and then tomorrow in the parade. Got it? Every once in a while, someone like me has to say something and get everyone's attention. They put up their hand and say, "Oh," and everyone else goes, "Awesome, amazing." So, we're just going to go over a couple of one more reminder. If you are a beginner, you know what you need to do. Just jump right in. If you are an experienced player, or you know our songs pretty well, or you're just pretty fast at picking it up, that's great too. But please, let's practice our reason. There will be times to doodle around, other times, but right now, we're trying to learn our simple parts. Got it? Great. So, quickly, we're going to run through the 3 notes that make up that wonderful song we just played, given to us by Environment Encroachment, also here today. We're going to do the 3 notes of that song. It starts with good old B flat. So let's practice B flat. If you don't know what it is, ask someone next to you. It's this note. That sounded amazing. Let's try the second note. It's concert A flat. The first part of the song only uses those 2 notes. It starts on the first note for a long break that goes ba, ba, da. Let's all try it together. I'll count you in and we're going to do it 4 times. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Learn that part. We're going to do that 4 times. We always do it 4 times. The second part of the song adds a 3rd note. Concert F. I think we're here. The second part is even simpler. I'll start playing and then you just join in when you want, okay? 1, 2, 3. How we doing? Everyone got it? Those 3 notes? Yeah. Okay, there's one other part of the song. You heard it once, I did it once. There's a call and a response where one person plays a part 2 bars and then everyone else does their best to respond back with the same note. And we're not all going to get the same note, it doesn't matter. Let's try a call and response. We have a trumpet player who can do a good... Yeah. I'm looking for Josh. Josh is right here. Josh is going to do the first. He's going to do a call. So we're gonna. I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. Call. Let's just give it a try 4 times. Whenever Josh plays, we enter back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. marching for that first note. Ba-da-da. Can we try and go loud and then very soft with it? So, ba-da-da. Let's run through the whole song once. And we're going to learn another song. So let's give it a try once. You want to make it call? All right. Let's try it. Let's get our rhythm section going. That's our tubas and our drum section. And our very sax players. That's our rhythm section. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.